That's a heavy box.
All right, today we're unboxing and reviewing and assembling the XDP Surf-In Swing-In swing set.
Some people online are saying that it's taking them about 5 hours to put this together and then additional 4 hours to put the slide together. I'm gonna see if I can do that in half that time. Yeah, that's a heavy box. All right, that's all the pieces organized and laid out, so let's get started. A3, A5, and A1.
How old do you have to be to build this? Got that one.
For this part, you're gonna need B1, B5, B3, and this socket wrench right here, and your B4 caps. So these two holes right here are what we're gonna be doing, and then we're gonna do that to the rest all the way down. A 1/2 is going to be your perfect size. You want to hold that with your Allen. So B1, B5, then B3. And then on the top end, you put down B4. You'll notice the washer has a little bit of a curve to it, so just make sure that that lines up with the curve underneath. Snap it. Make sure that this black piece is pushed so that there's enough room for this to snap down. Also, make sure not to over tighten. Now we need to connect A7 and then fit those into the ends of the top piece. Then we'll do the other side. So then you'll have something that looks like that. You're gonna take your B1 bolt and your B5 washer, stick it through the back, feed it through, then your B4 cap and washer, and your B3 nut. And then the middle support and the end support as well. This time we're going to use a B2 bolt and the flat B6 washer on both sides. B4s and our B3s, put them on the other side. Now we're going to do that same thing on the other side. So the two holes go on the left side. Let's check to see if it's sturdy. And now for the swing seat assembly. Then you're going to take your hooks, that has this part on it. Now you're going to take the bottom of it, stick it into your swing seat, then put this washer on, and then this washer. And do the same thing for the other side. And then your nut. Oh, looks like it's only made for tiny butts. Same thing that we did here for this swing on this side. For the seat on the bottom, then you get your pre-washer, and then your other washer, and then your nut. So it works pretty well. All right, now we're gonna start feeding in these little curves for the super disc. It says to remove the foam from the metal part and then insert the foam first. Now let's put in the metal tubes. Then you're gonna feed your screws in the top and your washer and your bolt on the bottom. And then do that for all 4 sides. Ooh, it's like a hammock. You gonna fall asleep now?
No.
I think I just lost my helper. All right, now we're gonna take the surfboard, put our X9 bars inside. Now we're gonna take our S3s, put them in through the side. Benny Boo, what you doing, buddy? Is it Bennett approved?
Mama.
This through, and then our washer, then our nut. Then you get your pre-washer, your plastic washer, and then your nut. Put those on. Washer first, plastic washer after that, and then your nut. All right, surfboard's ready.
Tie it up. Little parts get on here. Woohoo! Oh, we need ladder, guys.
I think you're supposed to hold on to the ladder, guys.
Woohoo! Awesome. That's when we're building the slide, right?
Oh yeah. All right, now that we've moved the swing set to the spot that we want to have it, we're gonna get started on the slide. Now we're gonna connect our Y31 piece of the slide to our Y32 piece. And then we're gonna put our Z8 bolts and Z6 washers through this hole, this middle hole, and this hole on the other side. Washer, and here's your Z8 bolt. Looks like a flathead actually works better for this part. Kind of separated right here a little bit, so you're gonna have to push on both sides in order to get that screw in. Now we're gonna go to the other side, connect our large Y2 piece to our Y1 piece. Use your hand as a clamp. It'll screw. Take our X7 and X8 bars, put them together. Then for all 5 of these holes, you're going to use your Z10 bolt, your Z6 spring washer, and your Z9 curved washer. Now you're going to take your X4 rod and put it in here. Then you're going to take your X5 in and attach it to the other side. So a Z7 bolt and a Z6 spring washer and a Z4 nut on the other side. You'll want to use your 11 wrench in order to hold the bolt on the other side while you screw it in with a Phillips head. Now for the ladder part, we're going to connect these steps into these 2 holes. For this, we're going to use a Z1 bolt, a Z6 spring washer, and then on the other side where the steps are, we're going to close it off with another Z6 and then a Z4 nut. Now we're going to connect the ladder to that beam in the slide. So we're going to connect this hole to that hole with a Z1 bolt and a Z6 spring washer, and then on the other side a Z3 spring washer and our Z5 end bolt. And then for these 2 holes, we're going to use a Z2 bolt and a Z6 washer, and then on the other side a Z4 bolt and another Z6 washer. Alright, there she is. Now we just need to attach it over here. I think I'm actually going to spin around the swing set so the slide is facing this way. Now we're gonna stick in our support beams right there and then put in those bolts and washers. And now we're just gonna connect the slide to these two holes on the main part of the swing set. All right, so this part has a lot of pieces. This black piece goes in between the swing set and the slide. This goes on the inside of the swing set. And this goes on the other side where the slide is. Check out this cool thing. Outside. What do you think? Is that pretty cool?
Yeah. And we still have tons of room to run.
Uh-huh.
Look, I can either surf or skateboard.
Uh-huh, and this one's kind of like a little hammock. It's kind of nice, you can lay in it.
And this one,
Mm-hmm.
it's normal, but I mean, this would be
Woohoo! You like it?
yeah. Maybe this peanuts, right? Maybe right? I don't know, I'm just learning how to do this. How's this slide work? How do I get off of it? Let's see how this slide works. Did you see it snow yesterday? Yeah! And I flew yesterday. What? Daddy!
You
know how
flew?
I did that cute thing and flew?
Oh, you did that?
Uh-huh, yes.
Nice.
I did that. Okay.
Was that fun?
Can we do this again?
Were you scared?
Yes.
Was it fun though?
Right?
Was it fun?
Hi, Mom. Oh, it does feel like a hammock.
It's relaxing even for adults, that one.
Ew.
Guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on because every week I do a giveaway that randomly selects someone who's interactive with my channel. It's time for my weekly Amazon gift card giveaway. All of our subscribers are eligible for every future giveaway. And the winner this week is...
Salute vibes.
Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. God bless.